Hey, I'm here in Medellin, Colombia. I'm at the Morph Building. This is a building where I have an Airbnb rental that I bought years ago. I've been renting this unit about 3 years. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour of some of the amenities. You will see we're gonna enter the living room, open area, and I wanna give you a perspective as you enter the room. You'll see the dining room. You also move into the living room area. And that's one thing I love about this apartment is you'll see the windows completely open out to the nature, which is great. And it's open, and as you can see here, it's an open kitchen as well. So I'm gonna take you out to the view. We have our Weber gas grill for your barbecue. We have your outdoor sitting area, and we also have a jacuzzi. As we come back around, we're gonna see back in to the apartment. We have a kitchen area, obviously your microwave, oven, gas stove, refrigerator, everything you need. As you open here, you will see this is the laundry room. This is where you have your Samsung washer and dryer. To the bedroom area, you'll see a half bath here. Now we have a co-working area. Medellin is one of the top digital nomad locations, so people come here and they work, so it attracts a certain type of person who comes here long term. So we allow them to work here. So this is a work area. As you see, this room has a king-size bed, has a large balcony. There's a TV right there, right behind you. You have air conditioning, you have a bathroom and closet. Has built-ins, and you have a well-equipped bathroom with rain shower heads. We'll take you into the second guest room. This particular apartment has 3 bedrooms. All the bedrooms are appointed very similar. You'll see another bed. You'll see here another large door you can open for the breeze with another view. All the rooms, they have safes for your personal belongings. Everything's well equipped, and then we have another well-equipped bathroom with a rain shower head. So now I'm gonna take you into the master bedroom. Master bedroom is another room, another king bed. As you can see, behind there we have air conditioning, even though it's not needed, and we have another beautiful view. The master bathroom. As you'll see, you have a complete walk-in closet. As we enter, we have built-ins, we have a safe. As you spin around, you'll see we have a mirror as well, so you can look well when you walk out the door to make sure you're nice. So here's why I'm showing you this today. We talk about investing for freedom. Here's opportunity. I bought this property pre-construction, essentially it's off plan. I put down a deposit, I made payments. It took about 2.5 years to build this project. It is a short-term rental property, which means it's licensed for short-term rental. So from an investment perspective, I believe based on the exchange rate, maybe I paid about $320,000 in terms of equivalent price for a very high-end property that's built with the finest materials. As you can see, we have brick, we have wood, we have stone, we have amenities, we have everything you need. This is a luxury building, an exclusive neighborhood. And from a return perspective today, when I purchased this years ago, even though I paid about $325,000, the property value if you buy today is essentially double. So this property today will cost somewhere between, I would say, $575,000 to $650,000 in terms of relevant value today. So obviously I made this purchase about 5 years ago. I took possession 3 years ago. In terms of rental return, I'm getting somewhere between a 10 and 15% annual rental return. So if you really think about investing for freedom, here is a way. In terms of lifestyle, this provides tremendous lifestyle opportunity for you. You can come, you can live a high quality life, You have security, you have every amenity, you have a large space. Even though I'm in an apartment, I feel like I'm in a home. I just want you to imagine that this is your home. You're sitting here with your significant other. You're enjoying some wine, and this is your view. You're looking out and you're enjoying nature. This is your view. Look at the peace, look at the opportunity. You can barbecue, you can watch TV, you can entertain with your friends. There's a kitchen, you can dine with your friends, you can watch TV, you can listen to music. The opportunities are endless. This is a wonderful lifestyle and a great investment opportunity that I encourage you. If you're interested in learning more about this, please reach out to me. I'll have my contact information in the description. We can help you find these kind of opportunities from a lifestyle perspective or investment perspective, or if you just want to come here and travel. This particular unit you can rent as well during your stay, and so as you get familiar with this market. It provides a plan B, and from a cost perspective, this is luxury living on discount. Thank you. Stay tuned for more content like this, finding ways to live well, to invest smartly, and to own your future. And this is how you invest for freedom. This is how you increase your standard of living in another country. So I want to make sure I provide as many opportunities to our listeners so they have options.